Good morning, California. Kevin Oliver here, your realtor and broker. And today I want to talk about what happens after you accept an offer on your home. Because the real work starts after you go under contract. First, we open up escrow. The buyer puts down their deposit and inspections get scheduled. Title searches, appraisals, loan docs. It's a flurry of paperwork behind the scenes. And I keep track of every deadline so you don't have to. If the inspection reveals problems, I negotiate repairs or credits, protecting your bottom line without risking the deal. If the appraisal comes in low, I fight to justify your price with comps. The goal is a smooth closing with no last-minute surprises. That's why you want an experienced broker managing the timeline, the personalities, and of course the paperwork. DM me the word contract, and I'll send you my seller's under contract checklist so you know exactly what happens step by step. Going under contract is just the beginning. The right plan keeps you in control until closing day. That's your contract confidence boost from Good Morning California, and we'll see you tomorrow.